Hello, this is the demonstration of our 1999 Haas VF-1, which has only cut plastic for the last 23 years that we've had it. We're going to demonstrate using tools that are in there all the time. That's why there's a gap. We're going to start off with the planer. This is going to demonstrate. It's just a standard plane pass with rapids. This tool will start in low gear, 500 RPM, 900, gear change, 2000, 4000, 6000. This is the maximum speed we always run it at. We never go over 6,000. This finisher will demonstrate another standard cut a little faster, but also a 3-axis move here. This chamfer mill will demonstrate low to high gear maximum. Low gear, and switch to 7,500. Now we're going to bring in this tap. This will demonstrate the rigid tap as well as the table range. Here's the run time. That is the total run time over 23 years of running the machine. This averages to about 240 hours a year, which is about 20 hours a month. Also note the low amount of tool changes.